ready to welcome her brother to Perth, Western Australia.
First of all, here is an introduction to Australia. Then Captain Beef took us on a cruise to see the beautiful houses. We even got lucky and saw some dolphins. We only had one day in the city, so we decided to go to Kings Park to look at the Anzac Memorial.
That is Western Australia, and that is today's road trip, just to get a bit of a scope of the size of our country. So this is the city I'm from there on the left, that's Perth, that's our starting point. Today we are going to drive 737 kilometres to Lucky Bay campsite in Cape Le Grand National Park. We've driven about 100 kilometres from Perth. I'm going to stretch our legs at the famous Quindanning Hotel. It's in the middle of nowhere, there's about 3 houses in this town, but there, of course there is a pub. So we have arrived, Cape Le Grand National Park. We're lucky we booked because she's full.
Good morning, it's 6 o'clock. I'm a bit sick since yesterday, I don't know why. We went for a run. I'm gonna do some yoga on the beach.
We're still in Lucky Bay. It's 5:30 a.m. There's little Steffi preparing brekkie. I'm whispering because we're in a campsite and I don't want to wake up all of our fellow campers. Go-to breakfast, wraps, peanut butter and jam we would call it in Australia, and a banana. So as you'll probably know, I love a good sunrise, and this one looks like it's gonna be stunning. If there's one piece of advice I can give to anyone, try to get up at sunrises. I watch just about every single sunrise because I'm always up so early, and every single one of them is so very, very special, and I appreciate them so much. What a beautiful morning. So we're off to our rock climbing crag. This little fella.
all the way to Hellfire Bay.
Bonjour, madame. It smells amazing. It smells like honey straight from the beehive. One of the most beautiful walks we've ever done. That was just stunning. It was 7 kilometers from Lucky Bay to Hellfire Bay. That's Hellfire in the background over there. But the ranger said, take a little trail around the back. The local ranger said that this is the best beach in the area. We met Mum and Dad at Hellfire Bay. They drove there with the car.
Another day, another hike. Welcome to Frenchman Peak.
And it was named by a guy named John Forrest because apparently that rock resembles the helmets worn by the French troops in the 1800s. So there you go, a little bit of history for you. We've just met Bob and Heather. We were standing on the street and we saw this beautiful machine coming down the road towing a trailer. So we chased it down the street. This is Sandy. Check it out. They shipped into Fremantle from the UK and they're going to drive around Australia for 2 years. We're in an area called BORNHOLM, which is about 30 kilometers west of Albany. We're going to find the house that my mum was born in. So we have been successful. This ruin of a chimney over here with the corrugated iron water tank is the house that my granddad was born in. Mum lived the first 5 years of her life there. We've been successful. We found the house. We're on Gail and Edward's farm down in Albany. We're feeding cows. Welcome to the Albany Wind Farm. Albany Wind Farm supplies over 80% of Albany's electricity and power. The tips of the windmills are travelling at 290 kilometres per hour. There's only 7 days per year in this area that the wind is not blowing strong enough to turn these turbines.
We're having fish and chips with friends and family.
This is a typical Australian bakery.
Was a gold medal for the root pie? Nice big chunks of kangaroo in there.
We're now at the Valley of the Giants.
There'll be a guide there to talk you about our beautiful treetop walk and what you'll see as you walk around.
That's not so
treetop
cool.
Walk and Ancient Empire walk. Thank you.
Giant tingle tree. Some of these trees can reach 70 meters high. Where are we?
Diamond tree. Oh no.
No. We're climbing the Gloucester tree in Pemberton. Oh, trying to patch the tree up. It's 53 meters of climbing up this ladder with spikes driven into the side. We're up the top of the Gloucester tree. The Gloucester tree was used as a fire lookout. Oh, that was scary.
It's gonna be challenging to come back to this cage.
I'm scared. Maybe we just go land it down on the car park from up here. Good morning everybody. So we're here in Deepdene, back at my mate Justin's farm. Beautiful place here close to Augusta in the south of Western Australia. And today we're going horse riding. Justin was just pointing out that down there is his farm. We came up through the trail that Justin made himself. It's absolutely beautiful. These guys killed it. Up a steep hill. It's a little bit bloody scary for me coming up one of the hills.
See ya! Leeuwin. This is the most southern point.
Southwestern.
Oh, it's near Augusta. I don't know.
Where are we?
And I go surfing.
Are you off surfing, are you? You don't look like you're prepared to surf. This is where the Margaret River Masters happens every year in Western Australia, one of the biggest surf competitions we've got over here. Schultzy, I hope you're proud of me.